During CES, we checked out a pretty interesting product called Heat-It. Heat-It is a device that uses heat specifically to relieve pain from bug bites. But the really interesting thing about this technology is it doesn't need any power or really even a control unit in the device. What it does is it's a very small piece that goes onto a USB-C that plugs directly into your phone, and then your phone, using an app, provides the amount of heat and power to the device to ease the bug bite. Now, the technology that eases the bug bite has to do with heat relieving the scratch and the itch caused by the histamine results from being bit by a bug. But the really interesting thing is that the technology is so small that you can actually keep it clipped on a keychain and have it with you all the time because it doesn't take up any room whatsoever. It's just a tiny little charm on your keychain. And then also your phone, you always have with you anyway. So you now have this smart device to help alleviate bug bites, not just for yourself, but for children or friends around you at any time that you need. If you live in an area that does have a lot of mosquitoes or gnats, then this is an incredible tool to help relieve those frustrations. Also, if you go camping a lot, this would be very beneficial for you as well. So I think, like I said, the fact that it's so small and it fits on a charm means that this is kind of like a real simple reason to pick this up, specifically if you get bit by bugs a lot. So if you like this product, I highly recommend picking it up, and we will see you guys in our next CES video.